Hi you guys, so I've already primed my skin and I've done my brows off camera. I'm going to go ahead and jump into foundation, and today I'm going to be using my Black Radiance Color Perfect Oil Free Liquid Foundation, and I am in the color Expresso. You guys know that I always use my Holy Grail, my NYX foundation, but it is getting really hot outside and I wanted something a little bit more lightweight to wear on my skin on these really hot days. So now I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution jelly highlighter. Now you guys, this actually is supposed to go, on top of your makeup like a regular highlight. However, I don't like how it looks on top of my makeup. It doesn't look good to me, so I don't like wasting things, so I decided to try to use it in a different way, kind of how people use the highlighting drops under their makeup to kind of give their skin a glow, to give their whole makeup look a glow. That's kind of the effect that I wanted by using this product, and I think I achieved that. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend these two products together all over my face, just like so. Make sure you're blending it really well, not leaving any streaks or lines or anything like that. And this foundation was only about $4, and I think for the price point it worked really well. It blended out beautifully, and like I said, it was super lightweight. The only thing that I didn't like is the shade range is not all that great. I'm like the second to the darkest color, so they really need to work on that. But other than that, I think it's a pretty good foundation, especially for the price point. So now I'm going to be going in with my favorite concealer, which is my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Deep. And I'm going to, of course, put that all over the places that I would normally highlight: under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to take a sponge and blend all that together. Make sure your sponge is a little bit damp, just so it can blend seamlessly. And guys, this makeup look that I'm doing is my go-to makeup look. I think every woman that's into makeup has that one look that, 9 times out of 10 is going to come out really nicely, and this look for me is it. So no matter the occasion, this is the look that I tend to go to. I just love this concealer. It blends out like a dream, like without any effort. I just love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to all those spots that I put that concealer and make sure that everything is blended really nicely. And I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance powder, my soft velvet finishing powder in the color Dark, and I'm going to press that powder into my skin on the areas that I had that concealer. Next, I'm going to go into my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, the medium to dark, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush and dip it into those two colors and lightly contour my face. I don't really look at this as a contour because of the color that this is. I kind of look at it more as a bronzer because it kind of brings a little bit more warmth to my skin, in my opinion. They do have a deeper contour palette. And I would probably use that that would be probably a true contour color for my skin, but for this one, I look at it more as a bronzer and not a contour. Next, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate, and as you can see, I'm almost out, so I need another one, but I love this powder. Y'all know I've been using this powder forever, and I love it. So I need to go ahead and get a new one though, because this one is almost out. And after I've done powdering my face, I like to go back and use a spoolie to kind of comb up my brows, making sure that they're in place. And if I've lost any of the pigmentation in any of the areas, I like to kind of go back and fix that up a little bit. Next, I'm going to go in with my ABH Blush Trio, and I'm going to use the colors Vegas and Scorching and blend those two together and put those on my cheeks just like so. So pretty. And now I'm going to be using my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and set my face in place. Now I'm going to be going in with something new, the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D Highlighter Palette, and this palette is so pretty, you guys. It can give you a subtle glow if you want, which is what I was going for with this look, but it can also build up to super beaming highlight too. So I love the colors. The colors are beautiful, and I've actually been kind of getting into stacking my highlights. So I'm going to be using which color did I use? I used Paradise first, and then on top of Paradise, I'm going to be using Vacation. And for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using the color First Class, which is also a beautiful color. I've used this color on my cheeks as a regular highlight and it's just as gorgeous. So yeah, I use that as an inner corner today, and I was obviously feeling myself a little bit with that shimmy. Okay, girl. And now I'm going to use an eyeliner and do just a very light strokes along my waterline. Nothing too heavy today. We're not going for a smoky look or anything. Something really light. And then I'm going to be using some mascara for my bottom lashes. Now we're going to go into some lippies, y'all. I'm going to be using my NYX eye pencil, and this is in the color dark brown. And I'm going to go in with my MAC So Chaud, and I'm going to put those two together to create this first look, which I think is pretty cute and pretty simple and very summer. Very summer. Orange is definitely one of those colors that screams summer to me. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Transylvania. And I'm going to line my lips with that, and then I'm going to go in with my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is in the color Obsession. This is so pretty. It's kind of like a bubblegum pink, but because I used that dark liner, it kind of tones that down a little bit, and it's more suitable for my chocolate skin. And I think it came out really cute. I love it. I love this combination. So next I'm going to be using these two ABH lip colors, and the first one is the color Vintage and the second one is the color Naked. So I'm going to put Vintage on first, and then I'm going to put Naked in the middle of my lips and blend that out. And you guys, quick tip, I do not pay full price for a lot of my ABH products. I like to go to places like Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and they always have like some of the high-end makeup brands, and they have it for a discounted price. And a lot of my ABH products I get from them. So I don't spend a whole bunch on a lot of my makeup, you guys. A lot of the times, if it's high-end, it's discounted because I get it from those stores. So next, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite right now lip combination, and I'm going to use Transylvania again as a lip liner. And then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Melted Matte liquid matte long wear lipstick. That is a long name. And the name is so hilarious, you guys. The name is called Lady Balls. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on and blend that out just like so. I just love a matte red lip on me. Like, I just think it's like one of my favorite looks that I love to do on a regular basis. I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do so. It's free, girl. It's free. I will see y'all in the next video. Until then, bye.